What's going on, you guys? Chandler from EzStocks here. Come back at you with a quick video today, just going over Apple. We got a bunch of tech stocks reporting earnings today. We got Apple, Amazon, and a bunch of other ones. So decided I'd bring a little 2 cents into the earnings play today. So just taking a closer look at Apple overall here. You can see this year, 1 year chart, you've had this pretty steady growth for a while, and then you have the COVID dipping all the way down to around 224. And now is at all-time highs around that 380, and it got all the way up to 399. So honestly, after the Tesla earnings, I became a little more skeptical about all these other tech earnings, Apple, Amazon, mostly just Apple though, because people, have had more money because of the stimulus, but also haven't been, saving as much to buy up a new iPhone or anything. And actually have been going around asking a couple Apple store managers how sales have been doing, and they've actually said sales have been down around 70% on average compared to Q2 of last year. So honestly, Apple earnings, even if they have a decent earnings play, I have a feeling that they're going to have a pretty significant pullback. Just like Tesla, they dropped around 5% or so after the earnings, even though they crushed earnings. They had a little spike and then it dropped back down. So that's what I feel like may happen here on Apple's play. It may have good earnings and it may fall, or it may just have terrible earnings and just completely tank. So definitely keep your eye out on this. I know we had a little bit of a pullback here. So if you're trying to buy some puts to be able to play off this, maybe buy some put debit spreads just so it's a little safer. Anyways, that's what I got for today. Just keeping it real short and sweet. Good luck in the trade field. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.